Hi guys, and welcome back to this Model Engineers Workshop. I'm the chef. Alright guys, short video this time around. Bit of new tooling in the workshop today. This is a 25mm insert end mill. Nice, it's got a fair bit of weight to it, nice and chunky. Uses two APMT 1604s on the inserts. That's what I'm trying to standardize on in the mill, because it's a nice big chunky, it's an industrial sized mill with an industrial size cutters, hopefully at the end of the day. So I might as well use industrial size inserts. And of course, being industrial size, they tend to be really cheap because a lot of people are using them. So mass production makes quantities, or quantities they're producing wherever they're made, makes them cheaper per piece. One of these costs about $1 Australian. So it's got at least two cutting edges. It's got the two corners you can see there, one here in the back, one on the front. I even actually have another cutter that actually uses them sideways, which gives you a 75-degree angle. And that's a great big surface cutter. That's an 80mm. That's up on the shelf behind the mill at the moment. I've never used it. I haven't got inserts in it. But this is just a nice, solid, chunky 25mm end mill. Now, of course, that doesn't fit into an ER32 collet because that only goes up to 20mm. So this was about 43 bucks Australian. The holder for it, again, this is a BT30. I think you can probably just read that on there. A BT30 SLN25. 75L means 75 long. So 75 here. So see if I can do this all left-handed. That goes into there. Go on, you can, there we go. Use the Allen key just to tighten up the two bolts. They don't need a great deal of tightening, just enough to stop it spinning as it just did. That's great, wasn't it? So I'll tighten those down and give them a bit of a tweak. That goes into the mill, so I've got plenty of reach. Nice big 25mm end mill. Wouldn't say it's side cutting. Doesn't look like it. It looks like it slopes away, so it's going to have clearance. So, but definitely still usable. Wasn't desperately expensive. An investment for the future. This, of course, and this will last forever. Can't see me bending that. I'd hate to think what kind of cut I would have to take to bend one of those. Replace the inserts when they get knackered. Turn them around. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if we can get this focus. There we are. You see here, two little dots. Same on the other one. That's so you can keep track of which tip you've used. So I know at this moment in time, this is both set up on number ones. When it gets dull, no longer really serviceable, it's giving me a poor surface, or I want a fresh tip just to do a finishing cut. Quick undo, turn them around to the two dot end. So that's me. I know that would then be a fresh tip. Somebody really thought about that, didn't they? But still, I suppose in some way in model engineering, we do the same sort of thing, because we normally, if you've got two parts that mate together, you normally take a center punch to them just to either mark up the alignment so the two dots go together, or just that one dot is one part and with its mating part, the next one on the other side of the loco might be two dots, and one dot might suggest right and two dots might suggest left. So, now I think about it, I suppose it could be fairly standard in the industry and the hobby. Don't know. Alrighty guys, that all up was about 85 bucks, free postage, from somewhere in China, I suppose. I don't know. And this will just go into the shelf. Might probably gonna have to put it up in the top because it's pretty tall. See, now that there is the big 80mm cutter that uses these inserts sideways. I've not used it yet. I bought it for a very specific job. It was on a special deal. There we go. Zoom in a bit for you. As you can see there
Whee, there on the corner. You can see how the insert will fit in sideways rather than tall ways. Landscape instead of portrait, I suppose, is a better definition. Right, let's get you back down to the normal size. So, there we go, guys. New tool day. I'll sign it off there now by saying, hope this has been interesting to you guys, just to see what other people are using. So again, as always, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for any notifications for when I put out the next video. And yep, that's it for today. I'll be back soon, and take care till then. See you now. Bye.